Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. It's Thursday, I guess, Thanksgiving Day, morning. And this is what I'm doing. I'm building some post dollies right now. Took some old dollies that I had. And these are just regular dollies that I have all over the place. And, you know, all these like this. But this is a hand dolly. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weld this on there. I'll get this welded on there, and then I have this one. What I'm gonna do, I got this out of the scrapyard. Nice big flat sheet of like 5/8 inch thick steel. I have this guy. This is an old iron. Not sure if I'm gonna use that, but I really like the shape right here. This teardrop shape, that could come in handy for shaping some metal. And I was thinking about doing one of these too, but we'll see what happens. Let me weld some up real quick and I'll get back with you. All right, so what I got going on is I'm building some post dollies because I have some funny shapes to build, and I found some big chunks of iron that had weird shapes like this, and like this guy here, and this was on a dolly, so I figured I'd show you guys what I was doing. And then I like how this one has a curve on it a little bit, and this guy also has the curve on it here, so you have a little bit of that radius going on, and that helps when you're doing, you know, metal finishing or whatever, when you want to hammer and dolly something. That way you don't have to hold the dolly. You can actually clamp the dolly in your post dolly vise and, you know, hammer on it so that, you know, it's in the vise and you don't have to hold on it. You can hold on the piece of sheet metal and do your work. But whoa, what happened there? Sorry about that. I didn't have my tripod tight. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start welding on this, and I'll kind of show you guys what I got going on here. And don't be a dumbass, wear safety glasses. I get so sick and tired of seeing people grinding and welding and doing stupid crap with no safety glasses on. Idiots. I mean, if you guys do that, that's your own stupidity, whatever. Anyways, you know, wear your safety gloves or your welding gloves and long sleeve most of the time. If you're gonna be doing some heavy welding, you'll get real bad sunburn, which is welding burn, and we'll go from there, see what happens. All right, we got it welded up. We'll walk over here and cool this thing down. All right, well, let's try it out. I got the post dolly done, got it all welded up, and I have it in the vise right now, tighten it up, and then I'll kind of show you what I got going on. And you see how it's got this rounded end. That's mainly what I wanted it for, and then it's got the crown like this. Give it a try and see how it feels. And you can see how you can quickly get that radius on an edge. So this will be super handy. Well, it works good. Thanks for watching. You guys, I'll try to keep you updated. We got some exciting stuff going on in the shop, and I'm gonna try to do right after Thanksgiving. I'm gonna try to do some posts on some of the stuff that we have going on, and we have a really exciting build coming up, and we're gonna have Kevin coming in and a bunch of other guys coming in, and I'm not gonna say much more about that, but as soon as I can, I'll give you an announcement right after Thanksgiving. I have to get the okay to get the announcement, to give the announcement out on YouTube. As soon as I can do that, I'll have Heidi come out here and film, and we'll do a video and we'll talk about it and tell you guys what's going on. But excited to share the news with you. So have a good Thanksgiving.